This is a quick review of evaluating expressions. So it says evaluate 2x plus 3 when x equals 5. All this really means is we want you to substitute in the 5, in our case x equals 5, we want you to substitute 5 in for the x. So we want you to take 2 times 5 and add 3. That is 10 plus 3, and 10 plus 3 is 13. That is what evaluate means. Here's another example. We have x squared minus 1, where x equals negative 2. Okay, now, I brought this example in for a good reason, because you really need to be careful, especially when you're doing squareds to the third power to fourth power, whichever. You need to put that value, whatever you're going to square, in parentheses, especially when you're typing it into your calculator. Because what this really means for us, it wants us to take negative 2 times negative 2, that's what negative 2 squared means, and then subtract 1. That is positive 4 minus 1, which is 3. Now, the big warning again, you have to use those parentheses. If not, keep in mind, these two things in your calculator are very different. Okay, this is what we are doing, means negative 2 times a negative 2. This here, if you follow your order of operations, it says you need to take care of the exponent first. So your minus sign just kind of along for the ride, and you would take 2 squared first, which is 4. So you end up with a negative 4, but our answer truly is a positive 4. So when you're typing these into your calculator, make sure you're using parentheses. Okay, that parentheses is so very important. And if the parentheses don't matter, it's not going to hurt it. So it's safer to always put it in parentheses.